The Restaurant Act asks for $120 billion in federal funding. KRON 4's Ella Sogomonian talked with two members to learn how it could help. Ella.
Pam and Ken, it's happening here throughout California and nationwide. Independent restaurants are going under, many of them permanently. I spoke with two owners, one in San Francisco, the other in Los Angeles, who both believe that the Restaurant Act is necessary for their survival. 2 years ago, San Francisco welcomed a restaurant called Que Fico on Divisadero Street. Fast forward, the happy smiles are a thing of the past as the co-owners are holding on to what hope is left for their future, if they can make it through the pandemic.
We've been shut down, and we ended up keeping all of our team on their health insurance this whole entire time, and that came to an extremely high cost for us. Nobody knows exactly what's around the next corner. So right now we're really on uncertain terms, and we're not sure, how much longer we can make it unless the Restaurant Act passes.
Que Fico is one of 500,000 restaurants across America that formed the Independent Restaurant Coalition in March. They're calling on Congress to pass the Restaurant Act of 2020, which demands $120 billion in federal relief money customized to their unique industry, which has a hand in more than hospitality, like agriculture and transportation. As a result, the coalition estimates restaurants contribute $1 trillion every year to the U.S. economy, but now it's searching for a lifeline.
The whole industry has been decimated. I know that a new article just showed that 53% of restaurants in Los Angeles are permanently closed. So the industry has really been honestly destroyed.
Drew Gates is a veteran of the hospitality industry who unveiled his newest location, Third Base LA, in the heart of Hollywood in November of last year. They started out with 100 staff members and only brought back half once COVID hit.
Well, PPP was really a temporary fix. As you could see, the shutdown has lasted much longer than what PPP provided for. And, and it's going to continue. I don't think there's any light at the end of the tunnel right now.
So the Restaurant Act, backed by bipartisan support, suggests that the funding cover the difference between the money made last year and what each restaurant expected to make this year. It also requires that the federal funding be used to keep employees, maintain payroll, pay for mortgage or rent, along with supplies and food. The bill aims to make the first 14 days of funds available only to small local restaurants. The bill also requests that the grants wouldn't need to be paid back. These restaurant owners say they're of course concerned for both their personal loss, but also the ripple effect that can be triggered if the industry is crippled, pointing to the 11 million people employed nationwide, like career workers, the formerly incarcerated, students, first-time job holders, and seniors. Live in the newsroom, Ella Sogomonian, KRON 4 News.